Today we're going to do a drone review, a special drone review of this car and drone by SYMA. It's a 2-in-1 and I don't know, let's see if it works. Today's goal is to test this thing and see how good it can, actually work, if it lives up to the name of it being an actual drone that can fly and drive. So we'll be using these stairs right here let's see if we can get it to jump up these stairs, right? And then on our opposite side over here, we got this little obstacle course looking thing where it goes around, and we're gonna see if we can make it fly around this thing or drive around it. And then we'll do a distance out there in the soccer field, see how far this thing can go, and and that's it. And I'll let you know whether or not this drone is good enough to buy, or should you pass on it, or whatever. Alright, you can get me. So we're gonna figure out, I just did a test run. I thought I could just wing it, but I guess you can't. So I'm gonna just see. I think maybe if I click it in, it might switch the modes, but let's see. No. I can't get it to fly. Oh, there's buttons in the front. That's it. Oh man, this thing is pretty fun, but I still can't get it to fly.
Woo!
Okay.
Woo.
Okay, get back.
Whoop.
Should I break something?
Good.
So, yeah, man, it did like a backflip or something. So, actually, I crashed it, but we're gonna keep that between us. All right, so that was pretty cool. It just jumped in the air. I think this thing is pretty awesome. Let's see. Let's try it again. Did I kill it? Oh man.
Whoopsie.
Oh, the button, it got turned off. All right, let's try it again. So we're gonna try to get it down the stairs. Fly.
Oh my god.
So it can fly so I just figured out that it flies for a short period of time and then it returns back to the ground. It doesn't stay flying, so I don't think you can fly. It might be able to fly for long periods of time, but I don't know. It just went straight back to the ground after I lifted it off. Let's see if we can make it to the bottom of these stairs without crashing. It's not wrong. Let's try it again. So we ain't get it down the stairs the way I wanted to, but it got down the stairs on its own. So. So you have control over it in the air too, which is cool. maybe a good day or two with it, I think you'd probably figure it out. So all the tests, they pass, but they fail for me because, you know, anybody got time for that. But on the real, let me not throw the product down like that, you know what I'm saying? So here's the verdict. I'm enjoying myself. Even though it's not doing what I wanted to do, I'm actually enjoying myself. You get what I'm saying? So if you were to buy this for a kid, or you're somebody's dad or something like that, and you want to whatever, they'd enjoy this. They truly love doing this. This is a lot of fun. There is a learning curve, of course. Is it worth the money? Yes. If you're trying to have some fun, and the battery life is pretty long. Usually things like this, they die pretty quickly, but this thing has been alive for a while, and I've had it sitting in my house for a good 20 days, right? Not even doing anything, and I haven't charged it since I bought it. So it holds a charge for pretty long. The control is pretty user-friendly. It does take AAA batteries. I don't need to show y'all that, but you know. Overall, it's pretty fun. I enjoyed myself. So if you're gonna buy this thing, go and buy this thing. This is the SYMA 2-in-1 car and drone package, right? With a little bit of I don't know, some work, this thing could be a perfect product. Put a little bit more money in there. And the wheels are cool. Go check out the unboxing video if you want to learn more about what it looks like.